Hello, welcome to my GDI team build. If you're looking about getting into GDI, wait before you do it, please, before you sign up and take a look at this, okay? You can go to carol.ws or the link below, which will be this link, okay? This works. This team build works. And why does it work? And you'll see right here. And this is so many different names that you'll see on this, and this is just started. Okay, so if you're looking for a team build because you need help recruiting, take a look at this. GDI has been around 25 years. It's a good solid company. When you log in to that, let's see, yes, it will take you back to this right here, or you can go over it, and then I encourage you to scroll down and then watch this video, because this video takes you through it and explains it to you. Okay, we work in teams of 5. Now, each team of 5 is different because people have different needs. Some people want to just send hits to a link and they don't want to think about anything. Some people want to be a leader and they want to be in control of who's sending hits and when somebody at request to sign up, so they want to send the links out, and that's totally fine. We have teams of both types with that, and some people, their team doesn't want to do anything to do with it, so I send them a capture page with their link on it. The capture page is just for their team specifically, and they send hits to that. And then when people come in requesting to join, I'll send a link for that. Most people, I gotta say, want to control it themselves. Now, there's also a way where you can also, all 5 of you can send traffic to your own link. And then when somebody requests to join, you send the link to the person whose turn it is. Okay? Now, I'm also tweaking things a little bit so that 5th person that joins, when you come with me and I set you up in a team of 5, you go below. So of course that 5th person doesn't have anybody in the downline. The first person has 4 people. The second person has 3. The third person has 2, and then so on. And the 5th person doesn't have anybody. Well, that's the first person you advertise for. And when you get to 4 members, we're going to break that 5th person off into their own team so that they're the first person. Okay, and that person, with their team, they can either be the leader and control, have, everybody, you set the capture page up and everybody send hits to your capture page, and then you send the link out when somebody's ready to join. Or, like I said, some teams just want everybody to send their link, everybody to advertise their capture page. So each team is different because people are different. Like I said, some only just want to send hits to a link, and that's fine. They want somebody else to control it. And that's fine if you have a leader in your team of 5 that wants to do that, which most of the time there is. And if you don't, I'm here and I will do that for your team. Okay? And then the branching off into teams of 5 is just, this works, this is converts. You've seen, I've shown you this. Okay, there is many people in this that are having success that have already have a downline beginning. So if you'd like more information about this, about growing GDI, about being in a team build where you're not alone, go to carol.ws at any time, or just click the link below this, and then you'll come to this page, put your email in, and then go over, as I said, go over this page and the video down at the end of this page. Go back and validate your email, and if you're ready to join, reply back to whoever you opted into and that you're ready to join, and a link's coming out quick. Within 24 hours, normally a link comes out. Sometimes it might be a little bit longer. We are busy. Okay? So join us today and don't be alone building your GDI downline. Get help. Have a team of 5 formed around you and with you. Okay, God bless. And if this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you are a part of the team already, please like and subscribe and share. You should be doing this because it helps the team, because I give the teams of 5 signups for the ones that do. Okay? Okay. God bless and take care.